Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to recharge Toyota Sienna AC. Locate the low-pressure service port and ensure the vehicle is cool before you start. First, put on safety goggles and gloves, then connect the gauge set to the low side only. Check the current pressure and top off refrigerant slowly in short bursts, watching the gauges closely. Avoid overfilling and listen for hissing that could indicate leaks. Begin with the engine running and the AC set to maximum cool so the system cycles normally. Attach your gauge set securely to the low-pressure port, then connect the refrigerant can to the hose. Open the can valve slowly and add refrigerant in short bursts while watching the gauge. If pressure climbs too fast, pause and let the system stabilize. Remember to avoid tilting the can to prevent liquid refrigerant entering the lines. Safety first. Always wear goggles and gloves and work in a ventilated area to avoid inhaling refrigerant fumes. If your pressure readings stay low after charging, check hoses, fittings, the condenser, and evaporator for visible leaks. A UV dye or electronic leak detector can help locate stubborn leaks. If you find major leaks or the compressor isn't engaging, pause and consult a professional to prevent damage and ensure the system is repaired correctly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.